A sprocket is a wheel with a series of evenly spaced teeth, or cogs, around its circumference, designed to mesh seamlessly with the links of a chain. The interaction between the teeth of the sprocket and the link of a chain ensures a positive and synchronized transfer of rotary movement, allowing for efficient and reliable motion. Sprockets are commonly used in various mechanical and industrial applications to transmit rotary motion between two shafts. Sprockets come in various types and sizes, each meticulously engineered for specific applications. From the compact sprockets found in bicycles and motorcycles to the massive versions used in industrial machinery and conveyor systems, their dimensions and configurations are designed to meet the unique requirements of the system they operate within. The size and configuration of the teeth are carefully calculated to optimize performance and durability. Proper maintenance and lubrication are essential for ensuring the longevity and smooth operation of sprockets and their associated components. Regular inspections and replacements are recommended, especially in high load or extreme operating conditions. Recent innovations in sprockets include the usage of advanced materials, surface coatings, and embedding sensors in a sprocket. The usage of advanced materials, such as high-performance alloys and composite materials, improves the sprocket's resistance to wear and corrosion. Surface coatings such as zinc-nickel plating and ceramic coating protect sprockets and extend their service life. Modern sprockets have embedded sensors to monitor wear, load, and temperature, reducing the risk of unexpected failures.